Hey, what's going on, everybody? Thank you again for joining me in this video where I explain what I use to cull through my images super fast. Let's get in it. All right, y'all. So if you can see here on my screen, pretty much open up Lightroom and you can see some images on here. Yeah, I'll be doing a lot of stuff, y'all. I don't only just do weddings. You know, I do a little bit of fashion, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. You know what I mean? So, anywho, that's another video. So for this one, I'm going to go ahead and jump into it. So what I use primarily is the star rating system. Now, I know that some of you out there are already experienced and you use, the flags and all the other stuff that you cull through. And I get it, that's cool, but I'm just pretty much sharing what I use to cull through my images. And hopefully this helps somebody if they don't know already. So let's jump back in here. So basically what I do is go right here where I'm circling at. This is the star rating system, and this is what I use just because it's just my preference. I like the star rating, it just makes more sense. So basically what I do, I click the first image, and I know I jumped ahead a little bit too fast, but if you didn't already, please go ahead and put your images inside now. This will be the time to do that. All right, just in case you didn't know. All right, so what I do is pretty much click the first image, and honestly, you can go to the develop menu, the develop mode or whatever, or the library mode. I mean, it doesn't really matter which one you go with, it's up to you. But anyway, so I click the first image, and what I do is pretty much click the numbers on my keyboard, but I prefer to either do number 1 or 0, just to be simple. So number 1 is my highly rated image, and 0 is like, nah, bruh. Not gonna happen. So what I do is, let's say for this image, me looking down in the silhouette, I like it, I hit number 1. Cool. So now if you go back to this image, you see here that the star is number 1. So the next image, let's say I don't like it, hit number 0. Boom. And what I like about this is that when you hit these numbers, it skips to the next image. So you don't have to literally drag your mouse and click to the next image. So let's get back inside and see that. So basically, what you want to do now is continue that process by clicking 1. Okay, I like that. Me looking at my hand. I don't need this one. 0. And okay, 0. And I like that. Cool. Perfect. So I'm just going to just do these really fast. Boom, boom, boom. 1, 1, 0. Okay, I got some skill. Let me know in the comments if you think I should be a model. You know what I'm saying? I don't know. These pictures is kind of flamers. You can't lie. It's kind of flamers. All right. So finish that. Boom, boom, boom. Perfect. So now what we're going to do is pretty much separate everything. So what I mean by that is, if you go back to the star rating, section here, if you click the first star, don't forget, make sure on this side, it's less than or equal to, just click that, and you want to hit rating is equal to. That way, when you click the number of stars you want, it goes to that actual star, not all these different star numbers and stuff, whatever. So you're gonna hit the first star, and here you go. On the bottom left, it shows all the images that you gave a 1 star to. Now imagine doing that with 500 images. So you just sitting there. What I do, I'm be honest with you, I have YouTube up, play some music. I'm sitting, I'm chilling, I'm laying back, I'm hitting 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 0 1 1. Yeah. And I'm just like that. I'm done. Just like that. So, yeah, that's pretty much it. Nothing fancy. I told you I'm going to give you some tips. Now, again, I know some of you may be looking at me like, dude, Tim, this is like not even helping me maybe. That's because you want a whole different level. Okay? People like myself, we didn't get taught this. You know what I'm saying? I didn't know that until like a year ago, and I've been shooting weddings for 4 years. So I'm just saying, hey. So with that being said, I hope this really helped you cull your ratings faster. If anything, please let me know in the comments if this helped you. If not, let me know as well, because again, I'm starting this whole YouTube thing out, and I'm trying to make sure that I deliver to you guys something that's going to help you during your wedding or in general photography business. So let me know in the comments, did it help you out? If it didn't, I'm sorry. I tried, don't shoot me. All right, cool. So with that being said, that's pretty much it. I hope this helps you out. If you haven't, please subscribe, like, and share, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, y'all, it's your boy Tim. I'm out.